So guys, wala pang luggage na mga guys. Naghintay pa kami sa luggage namin. Ito yung nasakyan ko, Penang AK6123 yung number, yung yan guys, yung nasakyan ko. Dito yung luggage ko, baggage. Wala pa guys, so maghintay pa kami guys. Dito lang pala. So mamaya maghanap ako saan yung international, kasi domestic dito guys. Yung international sa taas yan. Ayan guys. Kung ano ba dito, Terminal 3. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Ang tagal yung luggage. Kuala Lumpur, wow. Way out. Way out. Kaluwar. Dito yung kaluwar. Dito pala yung kaluwar. Out. Dito yung out guys. Tapos sino kung balik ako doon. Ano yun?
It's never not going to come back again, is it? Right. You have one left, that's it.
Dito yun ang kaluwar. Start na guys. Saan yan? Mga bagay sa lalim. Saan yung bagay sa lalim? Nandun pala. Nandun pala. So,
I know this.
dito.
Someone's got, yeah, it must be something to do with work.
It wasn't. No, I think yeah. I think.
So, dito yung anak ko. Hintay po kami sa mga bagahe namin guys, yung luggage namin. Ayun, nandun pala doon. Nandun pala. Yun pala lumalabas. Yun pala lumalabas. Yun guys. Doon pala. Number 1, first owner. First owner. Third second owner, third owner. Nandun pala. Baka ito sa akin. Thank you Lord. Hindi sa akin. Ay, ito sa akin guys. Yun sa akin guys. Ito sa akin. kangkong. Ay, thank you. Dito na sa akin, guys. Dito na. Ayun. Jollibee, guys, ah. Ayan, Jollibee, guys. Punta tayo sa Jollibee. Punta ka sa Jollibee, guys. Jollibee, Kuala Lumpur. Ayan. Ano pala yung mga regalo dito? Ano? Asia din. Dito lang yun. Sa kiosk kita. Sa kiosk. Oh, spaghetti na to, guys, oh. Green chicken. 20 ringgit. 20 pa yan. 20 ringgit, guys. Yung Jollibee dito sa airport sa Kuala Lumpur. Oh. Marami din yung kumakain dito, guys. Marami din kumakain, guys. Yung bagahe ko, guys. Cebu. Kuala Lumpur to Cebu, guys. Ayun. Ito pa yung 7 kg. 7 kg. Maraming tao dito, guys. Maraming tao. Yung Jollibee nila dito, guys, sa Kuala Lumpur. Dito sa airport. Oh, laki ng Malaysia wildlife. So yung amo plane, guys, may Philippine flag. Yun, guys.
Dear guests, for passengers traveling with infants and were given Infant Life Vest, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you.
Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now.
Tingnan mo ang Cebu. Yan ang Cebu, guys. Ito yung ito. Bahay nila. Ano kamera din? Saan yung akin ya? Siguro ano ta, second batch. Second batch. Wow. Nala sa'yo?
Sana tumulog ba?
Oh, dala ng hulog. Siguro may-ari, babae yan. Babae yan. Yan ang nalaglag.
Wala pa kami natuwa ka.
Second batch pa yan?
Hoy!
Ayan, guys. Bahay nila. Ano kamera din? Saan yung akin ya? Siguro ano ta, second batch. Second batch. Wow. Nala sa'yo?
Sana tumulog ba?
Oh, dala ng hulog. Siguro may-ari, babae yan. Babae yan. Yan ang nalaglag.
Wala pa kami natuwa ka.
Second batch pa yan?
Hoy!